In our previous video we talked about some of the easiest H-2B jobs to get in the United States, including landscaping, hotel housekeeping, kitchen helper jobs, and seafood processing work. These roles are the backbone of many seasonal industries across the country, but knowing what jobs are available is only the first step. In this video, we will explain where to actually find these jobs and how to begin your search online. We'll walk you through the best websites, offer tips for applying, and show you how to protect yourself from scams. The most important place to start your search is the official U.S. Department of Labor seasonal job website. This is your most reliable source of information. The site is seasonal.dol.gov. This website lists employers that have been officially approved to hire seasonal workers through the H-2B program. You can search for jobs by location, job title, or industry. We recommend starting your search by state to see what's available in different regions. Once you find a listing, pay close attention to the job order. This document contains crucial details: the wage per hour, the exact start and end dates of the contract, the number of hours guaranteed per week, and whether overtime is available. It will also state if the employer provides housing or transportation assistance, which are very important factors to consider. Again, the direct link to this official government website is available in the video description. Another popular website for seasonal employment is coolworks.com. While not exclusively for H-2B jobs, this site focuses on opportunities in beautiful tourism destinations, national parks, resorts, and hospitality environments. Many seasonal employers who use the H-2B program advertise their opportunities on this platform. Look for filters or tags that indicate an employer is H-2B friendly or accepting international applicants. You can also find the link to this site in the description below. For a more targeted search, another useful resource is h2bjobsboard.com. As the name suggests, this website focuses specifically on employers that hire workers through the H-2B visa program, which can save you a lot of time in your search. Again, if you want to explore this site, the link is included in the description of this video. Some employers also work with recruiting platforms that connect workers with seasonal jobs. One example is seasonalconnect.com. On these platforms, you create a profile highlighting your skills and work experience. The platform then helps match you with employers who need temporary staff for the season. Now, a very important warning: be careful of scams. A legitimate H-2B employer or recruiter will never ask you to pay a fee for the job itself. You may have to pay for your visa application and travel, but never for the job offer. Always verify that the employer has an approved job order on the official seasonal.jobs.dol.gov website. Be wary of anyone who contacts you through unofficial channels like WhatsApp or social media, and insist on communicating through official company email addresses. When you apply, make sure your resume is simple, clear, and tailored to the job. Use keywords from the job description, like landscaping, guest services, or food prep. List your experience with clear bullet points, focusing on your duties and accomplishments. A one-page resume is usually best for seasonal roles. One of the most important tips for any seasonal worker is to be reliable and hardworking. Employers value dependability above all else. They often bring back workers who perform well during the season, because it saves them the time and expense of finding and training new people. If you do a good job, maintain a positive attitude, and build strong references, you will significantly increase your chances of being invited back year after year. This is the key to securing a stable, long-term H-2B opportunity. This can help you build consistent seasonal income over time, turning a single job into a reliable career path. If you want more information about seasonal jobs, H-2B visa rules, and employment opportunities in the United States, subscribe to H-2B Success Blueprint. We are dedicated to providing clear, helpful guidance for your journey. And remember, all of the websites mentioned in this video are listed in the description below so you can explore them directly. Take your time, do your research, and start your search on the official government site. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. Always consult official government sources and legal professionals for guidance on your specific situation.